If your crypto got hacked tomorrow, how much would you lose? Today, we are reviewing one of the most secured wallets out there, the ELLIPAL X Card, and I will show you exactly why I'm a huge fan of this wallet and if it's worth it getting one yourself. So I have reviewed many wallets over the years, from ledgers to Trezors, and I'm always looking for the perfect mix of security and ease of use, and this is where this wallet pretty much beats all the other ones. So when you first open the box, the first thing that you are going to see is the card. It looks exactly like a regular credit card. It also has the secure chip as well. The card is very well built and has a premium feel to it. The second thing you're going to see is the actual device. You'll be able to use this device in order to activate and in order to create your wallet. The thing that I love about it, there's no USB, there's no Bluetooth, so you cannot connect it. Nobody can hack you or any of that stuff. The crypto, your keys literally stay in your hands the entire time. So in order to create your wallet, you simply slide the card in, turn it on, and go through the steps, and you do get a piece of paper to write your keys as well. Also, did I mention it is also IP65 dust and water resistant? And best of all, it has a self-destruct mechanism if tampered with. So if somebody steals your device and they start messing with it, it will self-destruct. Obviously, it is not going to explode or anything, but it will destroy the internals where it will become unusable. So this wallet has a lot going for it. And now let's go over to the website so we can talk about some other awesome features of this wallet. So when you click on the link in the description box below, it will take you to this page where you'll be able to learn more about the wallet. As you can see, the starting price right now is only $79. That is an amazing price in my opinion, and it is very affordable, especially if you have thousands of dollars worth of crypto that you want to keep safe. When you keep your crypto on exchanges or hot wallets, you can literally go to bed, wake up the next day, and all your crypto is gone. But when your crypto is in cold storage, you'll be able to sleep like a baby knowing your crypto is protected. And for 79 bucks, you won't have any nightmares of your crypto being stolen. But you can also get the 3-card pack, which is $118. So whichever one you want. So the reason I'm a big fan of this wallet is the tap and go. Connect via NFC to the ELLIPAL app. You'll be able to buy, sell, swap crypto assets in seconds. Wherever you go, whether it is a cafe or an airport, your crypto stays within reach. So the way this works is that each card is an independent cold wallet. So if you have 3 cards, you can literally have 3 separate cold wallets on each card. Also, each card has its own PIN code, ensuring only you can access the funds. And best of all, it is super easy to set up. It literally takes less than 3 minutes. All you got to do is insert the card into the device and it will automatically start creating your wallet, and it will show you your secret phrase that you'll be able to write down on a piece of paper in order to keep safe, in order to have a backup as well. Then your card will become your cold storage wallet. And once your wallet is created, you will not need this electrical device no more. The wallet will be on your card. And that is how they keep it safe, 100% offline. And when it comes to security, they have bank grade security, top tier security level used in Visa and MasterCards. Also, zero exposure. Your private key is generated inside the secure chip and never leaves it. It is built for defense, resistant to hacking, physical tampering, and external threats. And best of all, no maintenance needed, no battery, no charging, no firmware updates. Literally just create the wallet and you're done. Best of all, they support over 40 different blockchains, 50 plus stable coins, and over 10,000 different tokens, including some of your favorites like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Base, BNB, XRP, Cardano, and so many more. And with thousands of happy customers, they have some of the best ratings out there. But one thing that I love about this whole setup is they have the ELLIPAL wallet that you can download on your phone, and that is where you'll be able to get your addresses for your different coins. You'll be able to buy and sell crypto, transfer everything to your cold storage, and it is super easy. So I highly recommend this entire setup. One thing that a lot of people do not mention about this wallet is that you can create a 12, 15, 18, or even a 24 word secret phrase that you can use to access your wallet. And with this secret phrase, you can literally access your wallet anywhere. So you'll be able to go to a different country, open up a MetaMask wallet, a Coinbase wallet, Trezor's Ledger, whatever, put in your secret phrase, and you have full access to your funds. So you don't have to worry about an exchange or locking your funds, not giving you access to your own crypto. Once you have the secret phrase, it is over. You can access it anywhere. Also, if you download the Elipal wallet on your phone, you'll be able to access even more features such as asset management. You'll be able to manage your tokens from multiple different chains. You'll be able to swap over 1,000 different tokens with one click. You'll be able to buy and sell, add to your portfolio. They also offer staking. So if you have some crypto, you want to keep it safe and you want to earn some extra money, this wallet is a great option to have in my opinion. So if you are looking for a cheap, affordable wallet that has top-notch security, in my opinion, the X Card is one of the best ones out there. I do have a link for them in the description box below, and if you have any questions regarding this wallet, drop those in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all those questions and help you guys out as much as possible. All right, that concludes this quick little review. I will be talking a lot more about this wallet in future videos, so make sure you subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace out.